Here I am going to keep rolling with the 2024 Topps Chrome baseball cards out of a blaster box. Not great odds, but you know what? It's all fun and games. So let's just see what we got here. Got this old school card on the back for Aaron Judge. That might be MVP buyback eligible, so sweet on that one. Here's a Taylor rookie from the Royals, McClain award winner card here on the Reds. Got this Diaz card from the Rays, and this Aaron Judge. That is actually pretty cool. That is a refractor of some sorts, the 1987 variety, etc. I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is probably worth at least 20 bucks due to that MVP buyback, so big win there.